pairwise comparison. This is the individual votes, and I tried to put them in a little chart here to kind of make it a little neater and a little easier to see what is what. So the first thing I need to do is be aware of how many votes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's 15 votes, which means I need 8 votes to win. All right, 15 votes means I need 8 votes to win. All right, and now it's simply just counting. And I'm really, once again, just doing one pair at a time. P versus C, and only count one letter. If that letter gets to 8, you win. If that letter doesn't get to 8, you lose. So P versus C, P gets it here, that's 1. No. P gets it here, that's 2. Nope. P gets it here, that's 3. P gets it here, that's 4. Nope. Nope. P gets it here, that's 5. No. 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 P gets it here, that's 6. And the last column, no. So P gets 6 votes there. Therefore, it loses to C. C wins over P. Now, P versus M. First column, 1. Nope. Nope. 2. P's over M here. P is over M here. That's 3. Nope. 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 P's over M here. That's 4. No. 5. P's over M here. Nope. Nope. P's over M here. That's 6. No. So therefore, P loses to M. M wins. Okay. P versus S. That's 1 in the first column. Then nope. 2. Nope. 3. Nope. Nope. 4. 5. 6. No. 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 7. In the last column it loses. 7 votes is not enough to win. So P loses to S. Finally, P versus D. 1. Nope. 2. No. 3. 4. No. 5. P over D. 6. P over D. No. 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 7. And the last column is a no. So unfortunately for P, P loses every one. Now we go to C. Now we already did C over P, now I'm doing C over M. 1, 2, nope. 3, 4, no. 5, nope. Nope. 6, 7, nope. 8. Once I hit 8, it doesn't even matter the last 2. Once C hits 8 votes over M, it's a winner, M is the loser to it. C over S. 1, 2, no, 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 no. 3, 4, 5, 6, nope, nope. 7, 8. Doesn't even matter what the last vote is. C gets the 8 votes, it's a winner. Finally, C versus D. 1, 2, 3, no. 4, no. 5, 6, nope. 7, nope, nope. But 8. Once it hits 8, there's your winner. Now, we can make the argument that we're done because now I have an undefeated champion. On the test, you will have to complete the chart, though. I will be checking the whole chart. So M versus S. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 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 4, 5, 6, 7, no, 8. So really with 3 left, M is already won. Beats S. M versus D. 1, 2, 3. No, no. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's still 5 left. M already has 8 votes. It's 1. Okay, over D. Okay, that's right. Lost the D. All right. Finally, S versus D. 1, 2, 3. No. 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope. Nope. 8. So my records: 0 and 4, 4 and 0, 3 and 1, 2 and 2, and 1 and 3. My winner here is C with a record of 4 and 0. And that's how you write the letter with its record. Alright, for our approval method, basically everyone can vote as many or as few times, or as many as, let me start that again, everyone can vote for as many of the options or as few of the options as they want. In fact, you literally can vote for every option like person 2 did, and you can literally vote for no option like person 12 did. Okay, you do have that option. The most powerful vote, though, is the person who just votes for one thing. But essentially, judging the winner, we're just counting across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 votes for chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 votes for hot dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 votes for hamburgers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 for salads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for wings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for pizza. Honestly, I'm not going to give you a tie for the top one. That's one of the negatives of the method. It's very easy to get ties. Ties below the top winner really don't matter. So our winner here is a hamburger, and you're going to write the score down as 10. On the test, I'm going to ask for 3 pros to the approval method and 3 cons to the approval method. There's 4 of them. You need to write 3. This is probably the most memorization you're really going to have to do on almost any test I give. All right. The pros are there's more choices. It helps the strongest candidate. It reduces negative campaigning. And adding or eliminating a candidate has minimal impact. All right. In terms of the cons, the first con to the approval method is the biggest one. That's ties. The second one is pretty significant as well. It's insincere voting. Sometimes when we have too many options, we just kind of vote for whatever, and we don't really want to do that when we're voting. The third one, voting for everyone or no one, is not a vote, even though that is your right and your option in this method. And then finally, a majority winner may not win. That's never good either. Majority winner should always win. So a majority winner may not win. Alright, so we multiply here. My advice to you is I'm always going to reduce the fractions. Now the difference between multiplication and division Division is the extra step of the keep, change, flip. The multiplication, we're just leaving it as is. I'm going to change this to 8/11ths. I'm going to change this to 9/5ths. And then I'm looking diagonal. There's nothing to reduce diagonally here. So 8 times 9 is 72. 11 times 5 is 55, and that's my answer. 72 over 55. The next one, there's nothing to reduce vertically, so now I'm going to go diagonally. 3 goes into 9 3 times, 3 goes into 21 7 times. 17 goes into 17 once, 17 goes into 34 twice. And now we're going straight across. 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 7 is 14. Here, there's nothing to cancel. 8 over 7 doesn't reduce. 5/3 doesn't reduce. There's nothing diagonally to cancel, so we just multiply across. There's nothing else you can do there. And finally, here, I'm going to reduce. 9 goes into 45 5 times. 9 goes into 63 7 times. Can't reduce 14 over 25, but now when I look diagonally, 5 goes into 5 once, and 25 5 times. 7 goes into 7 once, and into 14 twice. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5, and we get 2/5. Okay, and our final one. Once again, my advice with division is you keep, you change the multiplication, and you flip. I would not reduce anything until you've done that. In this case, 4 goes into 32 8 times, 4 goes into 20 5 times. There's nothing you can reduce here. So 8 and 26, 2 goes into 8 4 times, 2 goes into 26 13 times. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 55 11 times. 4 times 11 is 44, 1 times 13 is 13, 44 over 13. 12 over 5 times 7 over 10, the keep, change, flip. Nothing to reduce vertically. 2 goes into 12 6 times, 2 goes into 10 5 times. 6 times 7 is 42, 5 times 5 is 25. $15 over 18 times 36 over 20. Keep, change, flip. This reduces to 5/6. This reduces to 9/5. Now we look diagonally. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 5 once, 3 goes into 6 twice, 3 goes into 9 3 times. And we get 3 over 2. And finally, 13 over 11 times 22 over 39. Nothing to reduce vertically, but 11 goes into 11 once, 11 goes into 22 twice, 13 goes into 13 once, and it goes into 39 3 times. 1 times 2 over 1 times 3 is 2/3.